China has claimed major advancements in the capabilities of its fifth-generation J-20 stealth fighter, asserting that it can now detect enemy aircraft at 3 times the previous range, thanks to advancements in semiconductor technology over the past 2 decades. The J-20 has tripled its radar detection range owing to advances in silicon carbide (SiC) semiconductors, developed by China's Shandong University scientist Su Xiangang and his team, the Hong Kong-based South China Morning Post reported. A silicon carbide (SiC) semiconductor material developed by Su's team had powered a 3-fold increase in the detection range of phased array radar systems, allowing Chinese radars to swiftly detect enemies and gain the first-mover advantage, Shandong University said on its social media page. From the J-20's onboard systems to advanced weaponry, this Chinese chip is crucial for national security. The same chip also enhances the range of Chinese radars, improves missile accuracy and boosts the power of laser weapons, making it an indispensable hardcore shield in defense technology. China's development of an indigenous SiC semiconductor chip assumes significance in light of an emerging chip war between the US and China. In military applications, especially for joint warfighting, semiconductors are of utmost importance due to their ability to process and transmit vast amounts of data quickly and efficiently. They enable the development of advanced radar systems, communication devices, navigation systems, and weaponry. Silicon carbide is a compound of silicon and carbon. It is an extremely hard semiconductor material suitable for high-power devices operating at temperatures significantly higher than those of conventional semiconductors. Commenting on the SiC semiconductors, Indian Air Force veteran and military commentator, Vijender Thakur, said, "The radar system on the J-20 now incorporates silicon carbide, SiC, semiconductors in its active electronically scanned array, AESA, radar." SiC semiconductors, made from a compound of silicon and carbon, are a type of wide bandgap semiconductor. They offer significant advantages over traditional silicon-based semiconductors, particularly in high-power, high-frequency, and high-temperature applications. The J-20 avionics are meant to give high situational awareness through advanced sensor fusion. The aircraft features a modern glass cockpit and is equipped with a helmet-mounted display, HMD, system, which enables accurate missile firing at high off-bore sight angles. The main internal weapon bay can house long-range air-to-air missiles, AAM, like PL-12, PL-15, and PL-21, and also precision-guided munitions. China recently announced that the J-20 will be modified to carry nuclear weapons.